What's good, YouTube? Hope all is well with you. The Valiant Scents coming back at you once again with another fragrance review. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Appreciate all those who are subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, I appreciate your viewership as well. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So, of course, all of your support is greatly appreciated. Can't do it without you. We are moving on to part 2 of this mini-series, this Penhaligon's mini-series. Like I said, I have a very much appreciation for the old school look of these bottles, and the smells that you get from them are exquisite, high quality for sure, but you got to know what works with you and what doesn't. I'm not going to say they're all great and they're all full bottle worthy until I get my nose on them on my skin. Have smelled again all 3 of the fragrances on paper, and just did part 1 for Halfeti in the previous video, number 1 of this 3-part mini-series. So this is part 2. Once again, here is the box. Halfeti Cedar, and Halfeti Leather. And so, of course, next up we are going to, and they're all individually wrapped in this box, so make sure I have the right one. Yep. And so, of course, this is the wrapping that it comes in. So, very nice, very nice, very nice. We'll put that aside, and here it is, miniature of the full bottle Halfeti Cedar. All right. And of course, these are a small version and they are samples, and you can't spray these, so there we go. I have a remedy for that. We're going to get into the second one here. All right, here, this is the decant. And where do I need? I need the nozzle. Okay. And don't worry, I got a paper towel on the floor just in case this drips, but we want to get it in here before we smell it. Yeah, that's the first one. All right, here we go. Takes a minute to get going, but once it gets going, it's pretty much good to go. Come on. I need this to go down. There we go. All right, there we go for Halfeti Cedar. Oh. All right. Ooh, can smell it. All right, so we'll put the bottom on here. Bottom of the decant. We got it up top, and of course, when you're not using it, there's a cap. There's the juice level. You can see it right in there. This one, yep, filled it all the way up to the top as well. So very nice. All right, so before we get into it, main accords: woody, warm, spicy, sweet, fruity, rum, vanilla, amber, powdery, cinnamon, and aromatic. The note breakdown: we have top notes of rum, saffron, peach, and cardamom. Middle notes are Virginia cedar, dried fruits, cinnamon, immortelle, and mineral notes. And base notes are cedar, vanilla, labdanum, tonka bean, and patchouli. Definitely enjoy, like I said, all three of these when I sprayed them on paper in store, but gotta get them on the skin here. Yeah, that's a good mist. All right. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Now, I must say, again, I like all three of these on paper. And gonna hold this up here. So definitely I like cedar. I mean, I like Halfeti, but Halfeti Cedar is doing it as well, even more in my opinion. So I get the rum, and I'm getting peach, and I'm getting cardamom. Again, not getting saffron off of this one either, but rum, peach, and cardamom off the top I'm getting for sure. It's going to take a little while for this to dry down. But I will say I'm also getting already from the mid, I'm getting cinnamon. And that really draws me in. Mineral notes I smell kind of salty. I don't know, maybe they wanted like a little bit of an offset for all the sweetness and whatnot. I don't care for mineral notes, but I don't smell them, so we're all good there. Yeah, can't wait to do this on a night out as well. Dressed up, casual dress, like I said, for cold weather and sweaters and whatnot. This will definitely work. This could be definitely, if we're, like I said, with Halfeti, we probably wouldn't do food events for that one, but food events can definitely work for this one because of the cinnamon, dried fruits that I'm getting. So it's mainly still the rum, the peach, the cardamom, the dried fruits, and the cinnamon. If this fragrance didn't give me anything else, I'd be good. Me personally. I realize now, after doing this for so many years, every fragrance is not going to give you every note. And it's probably going to pop off different on other people's skin. Some people will get the saffron where I don't. And maybe I get the peach where others don't. That's how it works. But this is full bottle. This is another one that is full bottle worthy. Like I said, these are going to be upwards of $250, $300. Don't break the bank if you can't afford it. Do what you can afford. That's why I'm doing the samples for right now. I'm just telling you whether or not I think that they're full bottle worthy. In my opinion, if I could afford to buy those, then I would say from this long list, and I do have a very long list, I would deem these fragrances full bottle worthy. That's what I mean when I say full bottle worthy. So I do deem this one full bottle worthy. Like I said, this one still has some drying down to do. So we'll see how much cedar and vanilla, labdanum, tonka bean, and patchouli come through. Actually, I am getting some tonka bean right now. And that is labdanum. Okay. That is labdanum. Okay. Again, not getting everything, but from what I'm getting, excellent fragrance. I'm definitely going to be enjoying my sample. So until next time, this is the Valiant Scents with my review of Halfeti Cedar from the House of Penhaligons. Appreciate all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe as we continue to grow this channel. We'll see you in the next video.